Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in. If you're a medical student who wants to level up your note-taking game with Notion, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up Notion for medical school using a free template, so your workspace looks crisp, organized, and genuinely saves you time. Let's get right into it. To start, we're going to use a free medical school template inside Notion. This is a fantastic way to speed up getting set up, and it gives your notes that polished, professional vibe right out of the box. But don't worry, you'll be able to tweak and personalize everything later, so it truly feels like your own space. Okay, first things first. Open up Notion and look at the very top left-hand corner of your screen. You'll notice a little drop-down arrow or menu icon up there. This is where Notion keeps many of its quick access options. Just click that and you'll see more options appear. Take a moment here. It might look like a lot if you're new, but we're really just looking for the Browse Templates option. Once you've clicked on Browse Templates, you'll get access to Notion's huge library of pre-made layouts. Instead of searching through everything, just type Medical School Database into the search bar. You don't have to memorize the exact name. If you type medical, it should show you a bunch of relevant results. Take a minute to scroll through and find the database layout that matches your style or what you're looking for. Some templates might focus on lectures, others on courses or revision tracking. So have a look until something feels right. When you've found a template you like, hover over it and select it. You'll usually see a button that says Add or Use this template. Click it, and Notion will automatically drop the template into your workspace. This can take a few seconds depending on your internet speed, so don't worry if it doesn't show up instantly. Now, here's where the magic happens. With a professional template loaded up, you'll notice that things look instantly more organized than if you built a page from scratch. Most templates will have sections for your credentials, like your name, your year, maybe even your university or course. Go ahead and fill these in. If you're ever unsure about what information belongs where, remember that these templates are designed by people who've been in your shoes. They're made to keep your details front and center for quick reference. Next up, look for areas where you can add creatives. Maybe these are images, links to resources, or even embedded study videos. Customizing your workspace with these elements makes it more engaging and actually more memorable. Think of it as decorating your desk with helpful tools and inspiration. Don't be afraid to personalize things from here. Change up colors, add emojis, rename sections. This is about making Notion work for you. If you're worried about breaking anything, remember you can always duplicate or revert changes. Experiment and see what makes studying easier or more enjoyable for you. And that's all it takes. You've now got a fast, professional-looking medical school note-taking database in Notion, ready for your next study session. If something doesn't look quite right, just tweak and play with it. That's the beauty of Notion. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit that like button. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need tips for customizing Notion even further. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides to help you work smarter, not harder, throughout medical school. I'll see you in the next one.